Good morning! Okay, ano to? Wait. Oh, stranded! Sa gitna, kaya pala traffic kanina. Good morning guys! It's another edition of Roy Palaboy Vlogs. So, it's a Saturday. It's quite sunny. Pero papunta ako ngayon sa market. And I need to buy a monopod. I need a monopod kasi may mga shoots tayo eh. In the month of February, may balak ang family kasama mga friends to visit Minalungaw. Tama ba yung pronunciation ko? And also to go to Baler and learn surfing. So ito sa Luzon lang to, so malapit lang sa atin, and it's gonna be exciting because I've never been there. I've seen some photos, I've seen some videos and breathtaking drone shots, and we were quite excited, no? So samahan niyo ako pumili ng monopod. Kailangan ko yun eh. Magkano ganito?
1.8 sir.
Ha?
1.8.
Ito?
Yes sir.
Daan bawas.
Ano na to sir tayo ng 1.5?
Giant selfie stick. Paano binababa to? Here, hindi dito. Hindi niluluwa ganyan.
Yes sir.
So this is a Yunteng photo video mono. Okay, so nakabili na ako ng monopod. Actually ito yun eh. Para sa DSLR. Yan. I'm quite excited to use this monopod. Actually, it's a Chinese brand. It's a Yunteng. Okay, it's cheap. Cheap lang. Kanina napanood nyo. Natawaran ko hanggang 1.5 pero I doubt. Alam ko pwede pang bumaba to pero I don't care. So right now, saan tayo pupunta? We're going to Fisher Mall. I'd like to register this car sa Grab. No, wala lang. Siguro pag may spare time ako in the morning or in the evening, pagkakita naman natin to sa sasakyan na to. Try lang natin. We'll see. If it did not work out, wala namang mawawala eh, di ba? Pero at least to some of you viewers, kung meron kayong extra car, especially brand new like this one, pagkakitaan nyo, malay nyo, doon natin kunin pambayad natin, di ba? So bakit pa usong-uso yung Grab and Uber na yan? Well, like for me, no, I use Grab a lot. Minsan ko lang nagamit yung Uber. Kasi minsan when I'm in the office, and it's already parked there, no? And I need to go to what? Market or Uptown Mall. I don't need to bring my car. I just take out my phone and hail a Grab car or an Uber, and I just pay what, 70 pesos. No, it's for the convenience of everybody. You don't need to bring out your car, do not contribute to the traffic. That's it, no? So samahan nyo nga ako. So I've been there siguro mga 1.5 hours just to register, to sign up, attend a seminar. Actually, madami silang conditions, in fairness. Well, it's for the safety of the passenger and the driver and yung integrity ng system ng Grab. After our seminar, we also have an exam, which of course the answers to the exam is based on the policies of Grab. So if you want to learn more about Grab, maybe considering registering your car and yourself as a peer driver for Grab, panoorin natin yung video na to. So there you have it, no? If you're interested, definitely just go to any Grab office. There's one in Quezon City in Fisher Mall. There's another one in Makati and some other places. And this has been another information dissemination program from Roy Palaboy, and I'll see you soon.